Ripple XRP, is XRP doomed to miss this next bull run, which should be happening or that we are anticipating for it in 2024? And can we ever recover in the price action as well? I'm going to be going through all of this information within this video, as well as the price action and a bit more of an in-depth analysis as well. All I ask from you are two things, which is to smash that like button and to subscribe to the channel. So this is day 2 now of the frustration from XRP holders with regards to the price. And not only that, but we actually have a recent article that came out from You Today saying that XRP brutally denied, doomed to miss the bull run. Now, we know that 2024 is coming up. We have many catalysts and we have many events. Will XRP potentially miss this bull run in the price action if we always see it fluctuating and it remains within that low 60-cent level? Well, let's have a look to see what they have said. It says over here that XRP failed yet again and it is not clear what can save it. Now, in my personal opinion, I truly believe that XRP is being held down by the SEC. Now, I know that it is the most common argument and some people are saying that it doesn't affect the price action at all, but I think it does. The lawsuits do take a long amount of time. We have been in this game for quite a while. Yes, despite the fact that we had that partial win back in July, it didn't really matter because we still haven't achieved that legal clarity. Still need to address that main argument of XRP not being a security, and until we can do that and have some sort of solution with the SEC and actually come out saying that XRP is not a security on Ripple's terms, then I think we are going to basically have that anchor lifted off of us, and I think that is when the surprise suppression will somewhat stop, right? We may still have some sort of price manipulation in general, but I think at least that is what is going to save XRP coin, because I can definitely assume the fact that once people saw that lawsuit happening with XRP a few years ago, they wouldn't have put their money in the coin, and if they wouldn't have put their money in the coin as retail investors, of course institutions are definitely going to stay away from it, especially because of the fact that it comes from the SEC. And in the XRP community in general, a lot of other people have noticed that other meme coins have been popping off, like your Bonk for example and Pepe coin. We've seen Solana pop off as well just in this week. Actually, if we have a look at that on the crypto bubbles, you'll see that Solana managed to flip XRP and BNB, and just this past week it's up by 47%. So some people actually sold their XRP and they got into Solana, or some people were holding XRP and they saw Solana jump by 47% in 1 week, and they're very much angry and frustrated that they could have essentially sold their XRP and made money with this coin instead. And it is a pretty big move to have on the week. Usually you don't even have that on the month, right? On the month we are up by 84.5%. So it's a massive move. The price just under doubled in only 1 week, so of course there is a lot of money to be made and people are getting that FOMO, fear of missing out, and so it does make sense when you want to be making money. So it says that XRP's market performance has been lackluster, failing to show signs of a bullish breakout. Now we have been going back and forth between that 61 cent to 64 cents. We haven't actually been able to get up and above that, unfortunately, in the past few weeks that we have seen, so it is struggling a little bit in terms of the technical perspective. But one thing that we should know is that Ripple XRP has been coming out with a lot of really good news. We have seen partnership after partnership. I don't see as many negative news. We have great news when it comes to Ripple and tokenization. They've been given virtual asset provider licenses by Ireland, Singapore, Dubai. Ripple have also acquired the Metaco firm, and they are also targeting Africa so that they can look at the cross-border payment infrastructures and so much more. So we are seeing more use cases coming in, and that's really good in terms of the fundamental aspects, but unfortunately the price is not going up with it, and that's why I reiterate that it is that lawsuit that is just hanging over XRP. And then it says over here that even if we do have a win in the legal arena, it might not be what investors hope for, and if we do have that win, don't expect XRP coin to run up all the way to $5 or $10. We may not see that. We may only see roughly around about a 10 to 20% pump on the 1-day chart, and then we may see a correction. But if we do actually get that win, that is going to be your short-term gains. We may have a correction, and then as we go on along the year, we may see a bit more upside when it comes to the price action. And this fear of XRP missing out on the bull run, that is what's playing on everybody's minds right now, and that is why some people, not all, but some people are going to be selling their XRP and they're going to be chasing Solana, they're going to be chasing Ethereum or chasing these other meme coins that have gone up. And what happens when you chase? Well, sometimes you can unfortunately get caught up, but hey, if you have made profits on Solana or Bonk coin or any of the meme meme coins like that. That's really good for you, and I'm glad that you have been able to do it. We have another article saying that the XRP price slump from crypto star to underdog, can it recover? So crypto star XRP was, it says over here that the factors contributing to XRP's struggles include negative publicity, legal battles, and lack of certain technological features. Unfortunately, when it comes to the long-term holders who have been in this coin for the past 6 years, a lot of them may be getting out and maybe starting a new year in 2024 and investing in other coins. Perhaps they're taking their portfolio and doing a little bit of a rejig, and with that does come with a lot of negative comments on X that we've seen and across social media as well. And it states that XRP has significantly underperformed compared to rivals like Bitcoin and Ethereum since its 2017 peak, and a lot of people have been saying that XRP has not even been able to reach its all-time high, which is roughly $3.84 if I can remember correctly. But let's not talk about the all-time high, let's just talk about the $1 price point, right? We've not been able to hit that $1 price mark, and I think that people are getting very frustrated that that's not happened. I think Cardano is roughly around about 55 cents right now. Let's have a look. It's at 59 cents a Cardano ADA, and that obviously pumped up quite well, and some people were speculating that Cardano could potentially beat XRP in terms of the price, and who knows, we could potentially see that if XRP does remain within this lower range of the 60 cents, and if Cardano is able to even surpass it, it's only roughly around about a couple more cents, it could be XRP based off of the price. And I think if it does happen as well, we are only going to see more frustration in the community. Now, before we have a look at the price action for today, we just have a tweet over here from Lion X saying that I think many long-term XRP holders are going to start exiting XRP soon and selling all their bags for other coins. I held it for 6 years without even thinking about selling it the entire time until recent weeks. Now I made up my mind as soon as the new year starts, I'm exiting. So there is a lot of people that are finally leaving, which is fine. Of course, they have their own choice, their own opinion, and if they want to go for other coins in order to make profits, then that's great for them and they can do that, because it is frustrating to be in a coin for quite some time and you've not been able to make the gains that you set out to make. And because we are seeing that new year, I do think that other people may follow suit as well, and you could say perhaps turn a new leaf when that happens. So XRP's price action, we are currently trading at 62 cents. We are down by 2.89% on the 1-day chart, and the volume, we are down by 9.43%, and we are trading at $1.6 billion. So what happened here? Well, we had a bit of a further dip. So we've had 2 dips today. We had the dip from the 0.6374 level, and then we went to 0.6211, and then we had a second dip of the day from 0.6258 all the way to 0.6092. We did go from 63 cents over here, as you can see, to 62 cents, and so I suppose it's actually 3 dips that we've had, but these 2 big major ones that we've seen here from the 2 cents. So on the 7-day chart, we are up by 2.68%, but that is pretty much wiped out by what has happened today on the 1-day price action. Again, we did see that nice spike to 0.6466. That is where we went all the way from 0.6129, so we did increase by 3 cents, and now we have seen a pullback and a bit of a correction. So if you guys remember how XRP was able to go to 69 cents, nearly on the verge of hitting that 70-cent mark, and this was because there was that rumor of BlackRock filing for a spot XRP ETF, if you remember from before, and I think that the price moved quite quickly in the space of an hour or something like that, and people on X were just talking about the price and what was going on in XRP, and a lot of people were getting excited. And when that did happen, a lot of people were rooting for XRP. They were happy, of course, and they wanted to see it go further. When BlackRock essentially said that the filing was fake, of course XRP's price did come back down. And so imagine what happens next year if we do see Ripple winning the lawsuit, and we have that all in the news, we have it going everywhere, and it's actually confirmed but not a rumor. Do you not think that XRP won't have a price spike? Because I think it will do. I just don't think that it will go to the likes of $5 or $10. I think it's just definitely not realistic, but we could potentially see $1. But overall, if you have sold your XRP and you have moved on to other altcoins, wish you well in your journey. But if you're still in XRP coin and you want to see where this goes, well, I will still be covering XRP and XLM coin as well. And so if you're interested in that, guys, all I ask from you is to smash that like button and to subscribe to the channel as well.